Hey crafters, it's John over at Guys Craft 2. So just wanted to do a quick video. Today I received my monthly subscription package from Amy Sews. And I will say that I've been really pleased and really like the packages that we've been getting from her. This is my last and final package with her, not for any other reason, not for quality, not for anything she's done. And by the way, we're not endorsed by Amy Sews. We buy, we pay, we subscribe to this ourselves. The only difference is the reason we're stopping our subscription right now is just because I have way more projects than I have actually completed. I have not completed the first towel project with her, so now I think this is my fourth or fifth one. So until I get a chance to do some and get caught up, I am just stopping it. Most of these are applique work, but I will tell you, I really have always been happy and anxious to get started with some of them that she sends. So she always sends the towel, and so it's a nice, big, huge towel, and good quality, nice, very nice woven kitchen towel. And again, these are really meant to be display towels, right? Not everyday use towels. Always sends a welcome, thank you, and tell us how we can access the online files, the SVG files, and that if we want to get those to cut and do what we need to. Again, like I said, I haven't done the first project, but the design behind this is this really neat fall. So you actually have the two fall cutouts, and then you have the one in the middle with the reflection, and it actually only came with one piece of fabric this month, so this one's not as busy and maybe as much work, so this one may be the first one that we complete. But I really like these colors, and if you look at this red, I wish it had a little bit more rust, but it is a real pretty red with a variegated through it. Along with this, it's showing up, it's not showing true colors. Hate when it does that on the computers, but this is really more of a gold, I would say a gold orange, but these colors I think really would look nice together. So I may actually cut this one out and do this one sooner rather than later. This is the template, so she always sends the template, so you have that, but you can actually log into her site and get the SVG files. And we do have a Cricut. It's on the shelf over in the corner and hasn't been used for a while, but I know I can cut fabric and that with that, and so that may be really cool to be able to cut this out with the Cricut and download those files. But again, just one more project in the stack of projects and things to be done. So with that said, really happy again with this package. Again, we did cancel our subscription, so this will be our last unboxing, my last unboxing with Amy Sews. But don't take that as a reflection on their group, their team. I have really liked the things that she's put together. I think they look really sharp. It's just my inability to get projects done as fast as they were coming in. And also I wanted to join another club, and we'll talk about that probably in September, now that we're at the end of August. So my first September box coming from a different club should show up, I would think. But until next time, we appreciate you joining us. We appreciate you hitting those numbers. Our numbers have just really gone up the last couple of weeks. Sean, as you know, the guy who sews, had us on, did an interview with us. He's just such a nice, super amazing guy. Really enjoyed that. We appreciate all our new subscribers. That just means so much to me and Curtis. We're still trying to figure things out. We're still trying to kind of find our way in that YouTube world. But I think we're starting to get a better picture of what we want our channel to look like and who we want to represent and be. But it is what it is. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the thumbs up if you like some of our videos and like what we're saying. Ring that bell if you want to be notified anytime we're posting a new video. But until next time, happy crafting.